Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from group Mother Nature Minions. So this is our project which is eco-friendly clothes, EFC. So what is EFC? We will explain more about this project about what is EFC later. Before we begin, let me introduce who is involved in this project. So the group leader is Muhammad Haziq Faris bin Ghazali, which is me. And the others group members are Nur Fasiha binti Mio Muhammad Ali, Nur Inshira binti Halim, and Nur Alia Marshita binti Ahmad Musfariza. So actually we are from UiTM Shah Alam, Faculty of Civil Engineering.
Complex issues from fast fashion companies that produces major effects on the environment, such as water pollution, countless amount of hazardous chemical used, the short life cycle of the products, and the waste produced and its effects on agriculture has become an eye-opener to society to find new ways to involve in fashion without really affecting the environment. Therefore, one of the affordable ways to buy clothes is through clothes thrifting. After the Industrial Revolution in the late 19th century, a mass production of clothing was introduced due to the sudden surge of immigration around the world. With more clothes to go around, shopping became more affordable and clothes were seen as disposable. Landfills were filling up with an extremely large amount of clothing. In the 1920s, thrift stores were seen as department stores, including places such as Goodwill and Salvation Army. According to Forbes, there has been a stigma to purchasing second-hand clothing that have been worn by complete strangers. Nowadays, it's normal for people to purchase things from thrift stores, not just clothing.
There are three main issues being addressed in the fashion industry. The first one is water usage. The demand for fresh water for drinking and agriculture is far surpassing what's available. Yes, the earth is covered in water, but most of it is unusable salt water or has been polluted. As a result, some brands are now looking at the supply chain to see how they can cut on how much water they are using. The second one is short life cycle. Stores are constantly launching new designs and consumers are regularly updating their wardrobes. The biggest goal in sustainable fashion is to buy less and use things longer. To make clothes last, there are platforms for closet sharing and brands that promote buying used clothes. The last one is agriculture. Natural fiber like cotton are often grown using pesticides and treatments that are harmful to the farmers, workers, and wildlife in the area. There are now more options for organic cotton, linen, and other fiber available, which also use less water than the conventional growing methods. Plus, brands are looking at being organic throughout the production process.
There is three main objectives on this project. Firstly, buyers can buy thrift items easily. This is because they just can open the apps and buy. By this app, buyers also can do window shopping by looking for something new items in the shop. Secondly, help in reducing the demand of clothes produced by fast fashion retailers. If we buy something used, it automatically costs us less. But just be cautioned that you don't use the cost saving as the excuse to buy more, since that will take away from its being a sustainable purchase. In addition, this project will spread awareness on sustainable clothes and helps the society in go eco-friendly as well as contribute to our mother nature. Last but not least, progressive impact of environmental degradation on the loss of global biodiversity is strongly linked to the key socio-economic indicators like human Hence, with a little effort we put in maintaining the ecosystem plays the major role for a healthier future.
This is what our application looks like. There is catalog, sale, coupons, brands, about us and contact. If customer click catalog and then go to fashion, they can see the list of items that we resell. For purchase that, customer just need to add to cart. Then customer can see their shopping cart. Next, we go to sell part. This page shows us the resale items that have sale. For example, customer can get the Bluetooth headphone for only 15 ringgit. We also have some coupon section for our lovely customers. There is birthday card coupons and thank you card coupons. These two coupons have their own minimum spend. Next, the brand section shows the customers what type of brand that us resell and their details. The About Us section is all about our teamwork, and if customers have any requirement, they can go to contact. There is our phone number, email, and website to reach us.
Hi, I will explain about novelty. As we can see, the fashion field is growing all over the world, including Malaysia. This development will give some effect or impact on society and the environment. This will also cause society to waste their used clothes. When they no longer wear used clothes, some people will throw away or eliminate it like burning it. So, we have got an idea to make sure this doesn't happen. We have suggested that used clothes should not be discarded or removed but resold by the community at a cheaper price than the original price. So, what is medium for the community to sell or buy used clothes? With the development of technology, especially e-commerce or online shopping, as we can see in the slide, we have Zalora, Padini, and others. These e-commerce or online shopping companies mostly sell new and quite expensive clothes. It is very difficult for us to find used clothes or cheap clothes in online shopping. So we have built an application where the application only sells used clothes as a whole. With this application, the community not only can buy, but they can sell their used clothes. So let us all support this application for the better future guarantee.
The benefits of thrift shopping. First, less clothing in landfills. Americans alone throw away about 10.5 million tons of clothing every year. It wasn't always like this. Less than 100 years ago, clothing used to be a big investment. Secondly, less resources used and wasted. You may not believe me when I say this, but the pair of jeans you may be wearing right now took roughly about 1,800 gallons of water to make. The production process making one pair of jeans also generated greenhouse gases equivalent to driving over 80 miles. And last but not least, less pollution to the environment. About 90% of the cotton grown for textiles is genetically modified, which means it is heavily reliant on pesticides. In fact, almost 20% of pesticide use worldwide is for use on cotton plants.